to show you guys another demonstration of the Erie Tools water broom. Believe it or not, this is marketed as a water broom to clean driveways, but you flip it around like I show you here, now it becomes a chassis cleaner. So this thing is super versatile. I love when tools have multiple uses. So for anybody out there that's got the annoying significant other that complains about you buying tools for your car, you could say this is for your house now as well. So I just foamed up one of my cars. You can see here, I would usually, after I'm done, just go with a garden hose and sit here for about an hour with a 200-foot long driveway. But now we have 4 40-degree jets attached to the power washer. And I'm going to show you guys how quick and easy it is to power wash the foam off your driveways when you're done washing your cars, or if you want to do just general maintenance around your house throughout the season. So let me just get the camera set up and I'll show you guys how quick and awesome this really is.